We will fix this by modifying the Windows Registry. So let's get started. Let's begin with the first method. Accessing advanced power settings, open the Run dialog, press Windows R and type the command to open your power settings. Select the power plan you wanted to modify, commonly the balance plan. Click on Change Plan Settings and then change the advanced power settings. Scroll down to Process Power Management. Then select Minimum Processor State. Tweak through Windows Registry. Next, open the Registry Editor and navigate to the path indicated in the description below. It's essential to locate correct registry key quickly. Remember the rule of three: never change anything without understanding its function. Pick up first, right click and export. Name it CPU post off. Right click on attributes, modify the value on the right side, change the post settings value to number 2, pick up again, call it CPU post on to document the new configuration. Return to the advanced power options and you will now see a new options labeled processor performance posted mode. Let's break down what each settings means. Let's start with the first option we have disabled. With the post disabled, your processor runs only at the base frequency for incidents. If your base frequency is 3 GHz, even though the CPU can post up to 5 GHz, the laptop will minimum the base speed. This reduces power consumption and lower the heat output while maintaining relatable performance under load. Enabled, these settings allow your processor to use boost technology as needed, pass it on workload and temperature. It activates on demand when extra performance is required. Aggressive, choosing this makes your processor ramp up to maximum speed even under light workload. Although it improves responsiveness, it consumes more power and generates extra heat. Efficient enabled, efficient aggressive. Those settings provide a balance. Efficient enabled offers a power saving boost, while efficient aggressive tries for a better performance to energy ratio. Efficient enable, efficient aggressive. Those settings provide a balance. Efficient enable offers a power saving boost, while efficient aggressive tries for better performance to energy ratio. Aggressive and guaranteed. Efficient, aggressive, and guaranteed. Those options force a high boost level for maximum performance. The guaranteed variance ensures stable performance even if the process runs hot. In short, if saving power and reducing heat is your priority, opt for disabled or efficient enabled. If you want a maximum performance regardless of extra heat, choose aggressive or aggressive and guaranteed. For those who want a balance, try efficient enabled or efficient aggressive. Monitor your laptop's performance and the temperature to see what works the best. And let me know in the comment which setting give you the desired result.